In order to improve the quality of all our lives, AskStory has developed its own artificial intelligence engine called AskI, which we have applied to our products and services. The AskI engine was developed by leading artificial intelligence and data mining developers in Korea. It utilizes automatic collection, data grouping, and recommendation techniques to analyze user patterns and data and recommend context-optimized data. Our first engine is the AskI Energy Engine 1.0. This engine provides users with energy efficiency and comfort. The AskI engine collects a vast amount of data from the variety of sensors in Myondo and also from the cloud system. The data collected in this way is called AskStory's primary parameter. With this technique, the AskI engine processes the primary parameters and generates secondary parameters to identify the user patterns themselves. Then, the AskI engine once again analyzes numerical data and mathematical algorithms to determine the personal preference temperature. This graph, taken from the American Air Conditioning and Refrigeration Engineers Society, shows the comfort zone where people feel most comfortable. Generally, this is the average interval in which people feel comfortable in the summer. However, for each user, the preferred temperature varies depending on the location and environment in which Myondo is installed. The AskI engine learns the generated secondary parameter values and transforms the comfort zone. In addition, when you draw the 3D graph by adding the z-axis, which is the time axis, the temperature is scheduled according to the time. Through this learned data, the AskI engine automatically operates the air conditioner and provides the user with the most comfortable temperature. Let's see how the AskI engine actually works. In the summer of 2017, more than 10,000 users joined the service in the first 3 months of Myondo's sales. The data we show here is the actual data of randomly selected users. On Sunday, July 23rd, the temperature and humidity data collected by user A's Myondo was as follows. Let's look at the room temperature data for this user. In contrast to the data collected by the activity sensor on the same day, user A woke up at around 7 a.m. and then went out from 8:30 to 2 p.m. After that, the air conditioner started to operate automatically because the user returned home and activity was detected. At around 5 p.m., the user turned off the air conditioner manually at a room temperature of around 23.5 degrees. After that, the temperature rose and the air conditioner started again, and then similar feedback occurred in the same temperature range. Let's now compare this to the room temperature data on Sunday, July 30th, exactly 1 week later. On this day, the user went out in the currently displayed time zone, and for the rest of the time, the user was detected indoors. After checking previous data, the room temperature was maintained between 24 and 27 degrees this day. The difference was that the room temperature was 23.5 to 27.5 on the 23rd of July. This allows you to see that the comfort zone changed. This is an example of how the AskI engine learns from each user pattern.